I've acquired a couple tools recently, most notably this planer that my pop gave me. Thanks, Pop.
All right.
That needs a home, as does this scroll saw. Both great tools. There's some stuff that needs to happen here before I jump into creating whatever way I'm going to store these things. And I think it's going to actually start with this bank of lockers here. They're great to have, right? I mean, it's an effective way of storing stuff. Problem is, check this out. Crammed in. This has bike parts, miscellany in it. I don't know what's going on in there. And it gets worse. It's beach toys in my shop. And I can do this better. And the way I think I can do it is build some quick shelves for this thing. A bit repetitive. Good time to ask you maybe to like and subscribe. Shelves, several different configurations. Now all that's left to do is fill it up. Thank you for making it through to the end of this video. I hope you're enjoying my content here on YouTube. I also have a website, jrobertclark.com. Please check it out. There you can see projects that I've worked on and also read stories that I've written. I have a blog I publish twice weekly and share that. It goes directly to your inbox if you sign up for it. I write about making, creating, the art and science of all this kind of stuff, and just a lot of my personal anecdotes related to my experience as I craft this new career around making. You might enjoy it, and you might actually learn something too, so please do check it out. Thank you for supporting me, and stay tuned for more stuff from J. Robert Clark.